Hey, put it ready for the war, say war!
Avalanche Promotions Antigua presents Sound of the Day. Representing Jamaica, Sound Trooper.
A sound boy get murdered!
Representing Miami, Innocent Sound.
So innocent are the roughest sound of flame rubber dub in the US of A.
Representing New Jersey, King Shine.
That one on him. How them a go on like them bad stuff?
Representing Antigua, Sound Lion.
Sound Lion play a terabyte of dub.
Saturday, April 14, Millers by the Sea. Early Fire by Sound Envy, Real Sound, Unruly Sound, and Cannabis Sound. Hosted by Billy from King Warrior and Whitney from Stonewall.
My sound killer, sound guy by day.
Saturday, April 14, Millers by the Sea. Admission $40. Sponsored by Junior's Rental, Uprising Car Rental, Mario Car Rental, Magnum Tonic Wine, King Warrior, Vibes FM, and Anise Fashion.